Welcome students to science class. Today we are going to revise our chapter number 1, crop production and management. Let's start with first term. An applied science that deals with the mass production of crop plants and animals useful to human beings is called agriculture. Now can you tell me the next term? Plants of the same kind grown at one place on a large scale are called crops. Next we will do horticulture. It is a branch of agriculture that deals with the production of vegetables, fruits and ornamental plants. Can you name 2 crops that are classified on the basis of season? Correct. Kharif and Rabi crops. Kharif crops are sown in the rainy season. Rice, soybean, groundnut and cotton are Kharif crops. The crops that are sown in the winter season are called Rabi crops. Wheat, gram, pea, mustard and linseed are Rabi crops. Now, what do you mean by agricultural practices? Agricultural practices are activities in a particular sequence undertaken by farmers over a period of time to cultivate a good crop. Now tell me, what is the first step of growing crops? Preparation of soil. It involves 2 steps, ploughing and leveling. Now, identify the following tools. First one, plough. Second, hoe. And the third one is cultivator. These tools are needed during agricultural practices and they are known as agricultural implements. Mainly they are used for preparation of soil. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called ploughing or tilling. After ploughing, the ploughed land is leveled and pressed lightly with the help of wooden plank or iron leveler. Leveling prevents soil erosion. It also helps in the uniform distribution of water and manure. What is the next step after preparation of soil? Correct. Selection and sowing of seeds. Seeds should be of good quality, healthy and free from diseases. They must be planted at their proper depth in the soil. They should be sown at proper distances. Now, what are the different methods of sowing seeds? First is by traditional tool, second by seed drill and the last one is transplantation.